Hello fellow food aficionados, welcome to another exciting culinary journey. Today we embark on a culinary adventure to the Philippines, a land of sunshine, smiles and seriously delicious food. The Philippines is known for its rich culture and vibrant cuisine that brings people together. Our mission? To conquer the art of pork adobo, a dish so iconic it's practically the national treasure. This dish is a staple in Filipino households and is loved by many around the world. Imagine tender, juicy pork, lovingly bathed in a rich, savoury sauce that's both tangy and sweet. It's a flavour explosion that will have you singing "Mabuhay," that's cheers in Filipino, with every bite. The combination of vinegar, soy sauce, garlic and spices creates a symphony of flavours that dance on your palate. What makes adobo so special? Its simplicity and versatility. With just a few basic ingredients, you can create a dish that's both comforting and exotic. It's a dish that's easy enough for beginners to master, yet open to endless variations depending on your mood and pantry staples. You can experiment with different meats, vegetables and seasonings to make it your own. Whether you like it spicy, garlicky or with a hint of sweetness, there's an adobo recipe out there with your name on it. The beauty of adobo lies in its adaptability to suit any taste preference. But before we get our hands dirty with deliciousness, let's gather our ingredients. Freshness is key to making the best adobo, so make sure to choose high-quality pork and the freshest spices. Just like a well-rehearsed orchestra needs all its instruments, we need to ensure our culinary symphony has every note perfect. From the right cut of pork to the perfect balance of vinegar and soy sauce, every detail matters in creating this masterpiece. Fear not, dear cooks, this isn't some Michelin star ingredient hunt. We're talking pantry staples and readily available goodies. For our adobo adventure, you'll need pork belly, the fattier the better, trust me, soy sauce, the salty backbone of our dish, vinegar for that delightful tang, garlic, because garlic makes everything better, bay leaves for a whisper of earthy aroma, black peppercorns for a gentle kick, and sugar to balance the savoury symphony. A quick note on the pork: while belly is traditional and gives you that melt-in-your-mouth texture, feel free to experiment with shoulder or loin if you prefer a leaner cut. Just remember, the fat is where the flavour is. Now, the fun begins. Get your hands in there and massage those beautiful ingredients together. Feel the textures, the aromas, and the promise of the flavors to come. This is where you start to build the foundation of your dish. Combine your soy sauce, vinegar, crushed garlic, peppercorns, and a touch of sugar in a large bowl. Each ingredient brings its own unique character to the mix, creating a symphony of flavors that will elevate your dish to new heights. This, my friends, is where the magic happens. As the ingredients meld together, they create a marinade that is both complex and harmonious. Slice your pork belly into generous chunks. Remember, we want to give those flavors plenty of surface area to cling to. The more surface area, the more flavor each bite will have. Nestle those porky morsels into the marinade, turning them to ensure each piece is coated in that glorious concoction. Make sure every nook and cranny is covered. Now, for the hardest part, patience. Pop that bowl, covered, into the refrigerator and let it marinate for at least 4 hours or even better, overnight. This waiting period allows the flavors to penetrate deeply into the meat. This marinating time isn't just about flavor, it's about tenderness. The longer you wait, the more tender and flavorful your pork will become. The acids in the vinegar work their magic on the pork, breaking down proteins and resulting in a succulent, melt-in-your-mouth experience. This process transforms the texture of the meat, making it incredibly tender. Trust me, the wait will be worth it. When you finally cook and taste this marinated pork, you'll understand why patience is a virtue in the kitchen. A symphony needs its crescendo, and for our adobo, that's the moment it hits the pan. The sizzle, the aroma, it's all part of the magic. Retrieve your marinated pork from the fridge and allow it to come to room temperature. This step is crucial as it ensures even cooking. Meanwhile, heat a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. The right temperature is key to achieving that perfect sear. Add a touch of oil to the pan, just enough to get things shimmering. You don't want to drown the pork, just a light coat. Now carefully place your pork pieces in the hot pan, making sure not to overcrowd them. Overcrowding will steam the meat instead of searing it. We want a nice sear on each side, a beautiful caramelized crust that seals in all that juicy flavor. This crust is where the magic happens. Once your pork is beautifully browned on all sides, it's time to introduce the star of the show, that fragrant marinade. The marinade not only adds flavor but also tenderizes the meat. Pour the entire contents of the bowl into the pot with the pork. Make sure every piece is well coated with the marinade. Don't even think about leaving any behind. Those flavorful bits are liquid gold. Scrape every last drop into the pot to ensure maximum flavor. Thank you for supporting Bistegs TV and for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more delicious, quick and easy recipes. Have a great day.